Good morning. I just put my update up. It seems to be doing well, so I'm really excited about that. We are under a winter storm watch for tomorrow, which I am super excited about. I would love to have a cozy afternoon tomorrow just with all the snow coming down outside. But today we need to run to the store. What are you guys doing?
Making lunch bags.
Not lunch bags, stocking stuffer bags. For who?
My class.
Your class. You guys are being big helps. What do you put in each bag?
Candy cane and hot cocoa.
Yeah.
Hot cocoa.
You think they'll like them?
Yeah.
So we got back from shopping and the kids helped me put together a few of these stocking stuffer treat bags for Rory's pre-K class. It has a candy cane, a little gold foil chocolate bear, a packet of cocoa, and then a charm from my shop. Hopefully they like them. It's only morning for a few more minutes. I've had a really slow morning this morning. I did not get a ton of footage taken yesterday because we were out of town most of the day and I didn't take my camera. Now we're home. We're going to enjoy third Advent? Yeah, it's third Advent, right? I'm getting ready to wash and steam some potatoes because I'm gonna make gnocchi today. And I don't feel like baking the potatoes, and I don't want to boil them because I don't want them to soak up too much water and make the dough too wet. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna knit while I wait for the potatoes to get done and then cool off, and then we'll make gnocchi for supper, which I'm getting quite the head start on because, you know, again, it's not quite noon. So I just made the gnocchi dough, and I think it's okay. It feels about right. It's been a while since I've made it, but I have to do a test first because if you don't make the dough right and you drop it into the boiling water, it could just fall apart. So I've got a pot of water almost boiling right now. Hopefully it holds together. So far, so good. They seem to be holding together. If they float and do not break apart when they expand, we'll know that I can go ahead and get started. Yay! It worked! So the gnocchi bake is in the oven. I put some sliced up mozzarella ball on top, and I'm about to rinse some French beans and saute those with some red onion. And it's a pretty fancy meal, but it's Advent Sunday, so I would have made this for supper, but as I said, Adam wants it now, which is fine because it just means we'll have a light supper and a more relaxing evening rather than me doing all of this evening.
Dad, what you doing? The jolly.
You put more on it?
More what?
Oh, sprinkles or?
Mom, can
Oh,
I
so
eat
if
the
you want.
icing or not? Dad, put that gingerbread man to the plate.
What do you mean figure it out?
Oh, oh,
Yeah,
oh.
I mean, I think I have put stuff for her to wear.